Start.
Dear learners and students, welcome to Rangpur DO Online School. You know that the school is closed, but our online school is going on. According to that, DO Rangpur Online School give me the opportunity to take a class. You know the student, in our freehand writing there are a mass more topics, and in these topics you know dialogue is a common for you in the examination hall. Before beginning the class, I will share you importance of dialogue. The main purpose of dialogue is the correctness of the grammar of a student and the basic skill of freehand writing. So the student, look at the student in the screen. Me, Shapon Kumar Bormon, Assistant Teacher English, Mithapukur Govt Model High School, Mithapukur, Rangpur. Purpose of dialogue writing. The main purpose of dialogue writing is to make a student able to complete any conversation with grammatical correctness and draw a meaningful conversation. Introduction of class 6 English first paper. So the student, today's our lesson is dialogue writing. Look at the screen. The mode of formation. The word dialogue comes or derived from the Greek word dio and logos. Dio means throw and logos means word. Throw means মধ্য দিয়ে, word means শব্দ. That means শব্দের the viewers and learners, if we together the word throw and word, it's conversation. So the dialogue means conversation, কথোপকথন. Now there is a question for you. What is the definition of dialogue? Look at the screen. Dialogue is typically a conversation between two or more people in a narrative works. So it is very easy. Dialogue is a conversation, কথোপকথন, different people, one people to another people, one friend to another friend, teacher and student. So we can call the definition like dialogue is typically a conversation between two or more people in a narrative works. Now the student, again, you know, in the examination paper answer script we have to write the answer of dialogue, but most of the student can't write as well. It's because they are not know the system, the tips, the rules of writing dialogue. Now we try to understand you how can we have to write a good dialogue. Look at the screen. Some tips for dialogue writing. Number 1, proper beginning. Number 2, make a plot. Number 3, simple sentence. Number 4, humorous sentence. Number 5, contractions. Number 6, punctuations. Number 7, proper ending. That means there are 7 tips for you to write a good dialogue. Now the student try to guess how can we have to write a good dialogue to follow these 7 tips. Okay, dear student and learners, at first we have to discuss proper beginning. Proper beginning means starting of dialogue. It maybe we have to call the greeting of the dialogue. A dialogue should have a proper salutation and greeting according to the context of the conversation. It may be the formal or it may be the informal. So it means a dialogue we can't start abrupt way. We start in a formal way or in a informal way. Looks like in a formal way we have to start the dialogue like good morning sir. An informal way, hi Rifat, what's up you? Rifat, তুমি এখন কি করতেছো? In here formal way, suppose student and teacher the discussion or the conversation, so we can't start hello, how are you sir? We can't start like that. In a formal way, good morning sir. And in the informal way, when we have to meet two friends in a place, in that time we start dialogue informal way like that. Hi Rifat, what's up you? Hey Rifat, তুমি কি করতেছো? Like that way. So our dialogue should be start with a salutation or greeting in formal way or informal way. Are all the students understand it? Okay, now we can go for the next tips. It's make a plot. Second tips for you, make a plot. Are you understand what is plot? Any idea? Okay, no problem. You look at here, after greeting, not to speak direct about the topic. To create a plot, first and enter into the main topic of the dialogue. That means the student, you after greeting or salutation, you can't speak like that. The main topic, can you tell me about the tree plantation? Suppose two friends are conversation about tree plantation. In a plot, you can't speak like that. Can you tell me about the tree plantation directly? We can't speak. We can't speak like that. Indirectly about the topics. Tree plantation. Can you tell me about the tree plantation? But your topic should have a plot. Such like way, in screen you look at here, Ripa. Where are you going now? Bipa, I am going to plant some trees. Ripa, oh, you are doing very good task, and it is the task of the tree plantation. Bipa, yes, it is a very importance of our life. Do you know about the importance of tree plantation? Student, look here. our main topics comes, brings in a situation, in some question answering is called the plot. So plot is, what is plot? After getting not to speak directly about the topic, we can't speak directly. We create a plot first and enter into the main topic like that way. রিপা তুমি কোথায় যাচ্ছ? বিপা আমি কিছু চারা গাছ লাগাতে যাচ্ছি। ও হ্যাঁ, তুমি একটা ভালো কাজ করতেছো, এটা একটা ট্রি প্লান্টেশনের অংশ। বি বলছে হ্যাঁ, এটা আমাদের জীবনের জন্য খুব গুরুত্বপূর্ণ, এটা আমাদের জীবনের জন্য খুব গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। Then our main topics is come. Do you know about the importance of tree plantation? So this is the plot for you student. Much more specialist of education in your country can't give us the identification, indication in our books. They can't rearrange the plot. So my suggestion for you, you must be make a plot in your answer script if you can get the good marks. Again we can go for the next slide student. Look at here. The third tips for writing dialogue is simple sentence. You know, according to the structure there are three kinds of sentence: simple sentence, complex sentence and compound sentence. My suggestion for you, in dialogue must be used simple sentence, not complex and compound sentence. Like that, instead of using bombastic and difficult language, dialogue should focus on simple and life language. Again, instead of using bombastic and difficult language, dialogue should focus on simple and life-like language. And you use in here tense, subject verb agreement also. Like that, I was aghast. Again, I was aghast. We can't write like. It's because aghast is our unknown. We use familiar one, life-like, which is closely connected in our life word. Like I was afraid or frightened. Aghast means also frightened or afraid. So the student, we can't write aghast because it is not connected to our life. The word which is connected to our life, we have to use such kind of word in the dialogue. That means we use in dialogue simple sentence, not complex and compound sentence. Okay, the dear student, are you understand it? Okay, now we can go for tips number 4, humorous sentence. What is humorous? It also be life-like sentence and also with comics one. What is this? Again, try to guess. Humorous sentence also be closely connected with our life and it's also with comic, like that. Adding some comic sentence in your dialogue will increase the naturality of the conversation, especially the context of the dialogue is a friendly one. So they speak like that. We have to use life-like with comics word, especially in the informal dialogue. Are you understand? So student, go for the next topics number 5, contractions. Student, do you understand the word contractions means? Contraction means the short form of the word. Again, contraction means the short form of the word. Especially in the dialogue, it means short form of the verbs. Look at the slide. Instead of using the expanded version of the word, especially verbs, dialogue should use contractions of verbs. Look like I am equal am, was not equal wasn't, could not equal couldn't. So we can't write Bipa, I am fine, we can't write like that. We use contraction Bipa, I am fine. Here contraction is I am. This is the short form of word or phrase or verb. Are the student understand what is contraction? Yes, we use contraction to make a good dialogue. Student, now go to your next slide, and it is tips number 6, punctuation. Your writing, your dialogue writing should be well known punctuated, and it is a one of the most part of a grammar. If you get good marks in the exam, you should have used punctuated sentence in your dialogue. Now the student, a good dialogue must be well punctuated. Appropriate use of comma, question mark, exclamation mark, and full stop etc. are mandatory for a good dialogue. Mandatory means essential, must be used. We must be used mandatory. It is very, very mandatory for you to write a good dialogue. Now the student, are you understand? We can use punctuation marks very, very carefully to make a good dialogue. Now the viewers, we can go for the next slide, and tips number 7, proper ending. Proper ending also be a essential for us. It's because we can't finish or stop dialogue writing in an abrupt way. হঠাৎ করেই আমরা একটা ডায়লগ লেখা শেষ করব না। সো ডায়লগ লেখাটা শেষ করতে হলে আমাদের একটা প্রপার এন্ডিং অর্থাৎ সুন্দর সমাপ্ত প্রয়োজন। লুকস লাইক এ ডায়লগ শুড নট end abruptly. There should be a proper sign off. Look at the example. Bipa, all right, I will see you tomorrow, then bye. Ripa, okay, bye, see you tomorrow. So the student, like that, we can't stop writing, we can't abruptly writing the dialogue. We should have a proper ending. Are you understand? If you can use these 7 tips for dialogue writing, I think you can get good marks in your answer script in the examination, and you can get a well and very much good result in the examination. Now the student, for your next slide, there is an example according to the 7 tips. How can we have to make a good dialogue? Look at here, there is example. A dialogue between 2 friends about importance of tree plantation. দুজন বন্ধুর মধ্যে ট্রি প্ল্যান্টেশন সম্পর্কে কথোপকথন কিভাবে একটা আদর্শ ডায়ালগ লিখতে হবে তার একটি সুন্দর উদাহরণ আমি আজকে তোমাদের সামনে উপস্থাপন করার চেষ্টা করছি। Bipa, hello Ripa, how are you? I'm fine, and you? Bipa, I'm also good. Here, total dialogue is proper beginning. That means this has a good salutation and greeting. So it is a start. Beginning is very clearly for you. It is proper beginning, and there are two use of contraction also. Me here write it is contractions. We can't write I am. We can't write I am. So we have to write the contractions what? Short form of the verb, short form of the phrase. Are you understand? Now the student, for your next part of the dialogue, Ripa, where are you going now? Bipa, I am going to plant some trees. Ripa, oh, you are doing very good task, and it is the task of tree plantation. Bipa, yes, it is a very importance of our life. Ripa, do you know about the importance of tree plantation? So student, look and try to gaze it very carefully. Total dialogue part is a plot. Total dialogue part is a plot for you, and in the red marks, yes, you have to see very carefully. Yes, after yes we have to use here comma. This is punctuation. You know, punctuation is also a very essential tips for writing dialogue. So when we have to write dialogue, we must be use punctuated word, punctuation marks very carefully. Okay, next part of the dialogue for you. Bipa, okay, sure, trees are our best friend. They give us fruits and food. They give us shadow. Ripa, right, they give us oxygen. We can't live without it. Sure, they bring rain, protect us from storm, and also protect land and rivers from erosion. Ripa, we must tell our people about the importance of trees. Student, try to gaze it. Whole of the part of the dialogue is simple sentence. In here we know that in the simple sentence, one subject, one verb plus object. All the sentence look like, okay, sure, it is the short form contractions. Trees are our best friend, subject verb agreement. They give us fruits and food, also subject verb agreement. That means all the sentence write in the simple sentence, and it is essential tips for writing dialogue. Are all the student know it, understand it? Okay, now the student, for your next part of the dialogue, Bipa, thank you very much, I will see you tomorrow. Ripa, okay, sure, see you too, you are welcome. So the student, look it very carefully, try to gaze. The whole part of the dialogue is proper ending. It's because there is a very excellent way to finish the conversation between the two friends, Bipa and Ripa. Looks like, thank you very much, I will see you tomorrow. তোমাকে ধন্যবাদ, তোমার সঙ্গে আবার আমার আগামীকাল দেখা হবে। এখন রিপা বলেছে, ওকে শিওর, হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে অবশ্যই, সি ইউ টু, তোমার সঙ্গে দেখা হবে আগামীকাল। ইউ আর ওয়েলকাম, তোমাকে স্বাগতম। দ্যাট মিনস প্রপার এন্ডিং শুড very essential to write a good dialogue. and here you see. Okay, sure, see you too. That means it is the part of two friends life related word. Suppose okay sure, হ্যাঁ ঠিক তো, তুই ঠিকই বলেছিস, see you too, তোর সাথে কালকে আবার দেখা হবে, কাল আসিস আবার দেখা হবে। That means this is the word for life related of the two friends, and it is the humorous language. That means humorous language proper ending is very essential for you. The student, now you know these 7 tips. If you follow these 7 tips to writing dialogue, you can able to write very good dialogue in the examination. So your dialogues look like Bipa, hello Ripa, how are you? Ripa, I am fine, and you? Bipa, I am also good. Ripa, where are you going now? Bipa, I am going to plant some trees. Ripa, oh, you are doing very good tasks, and it is the task of tree plantation. Bipa, yes, it is a very important of our life. Ripa, do you know about the importance of tree plantation? Bipa, okay, sure, trees are our best friend, they give us fruits and food, they give us shadow. Ripa, right, they give oxygen, we can't live without it. Bipa, sure, they bring rain, protect us from a storm, protect land and rivers from erosion. Ripa, we must tell our people about the importance of trees. Bipa, thank you very much, I will see you tomorrow. Ripa, okay, sure, see you too, you are welcome. Like, look, dialogue, these 7 tips, according to these 7 tips, this dialogue is complete. So in your examination paper you should have followed these 7 tips for writing dialogue. Are all the student gauge the dialogue, how can we have to write? Okay, thank you, for thanks to all the viewers, student and learners. Thank you.